Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing a sweet glutinous rice ball recipe, or also known as Tang Yuan, to celebrate Chinese Lunar New Year. So let's get started. These are the simple ingredients that you will need. In a large bowl, add in the glutinous rice flour and water. Then mix both the ingredients until a dough is formed. Continue kneading the dough until the texture of the dough becomes smooth. Split and separate the dough and place it in another bowl. Then start incorporating a few drops of food coloring into the dough by kneading it. Now you can let your creative juices flow by using your favorite colors and forming it into cute animals or anything that floats your boat. But for today, I'll stick with the traditional ball shape by rolling it between both of my palms. For making the sweet syrup, we will need sugar, water, pandan leaves, and peeled chunks of ginger. So this is me harvesting fresh pandan leaves from my small garden. In a medium-sized pot, add in water, ginger and pandan leaves. Then leave it to boil for a few minutes until the ginger and pandan has infused the water. After that, add in the sugar. Mix and let the syrup mixture boil until it thickens up a bit. In another saucepan, fill it up with water and let it boil. Add in the glutinous rice ball into it to cook it. When it is cooked, transfer it into the pot of syrup that we made earlier. An indication of cooked glutinous rice ball is that it will float. Make sure to remember and cook your rice ball from the lightest to the darkest color. These steps prevent the light colored rice ball to be infused with the dark colors. When all the glutinous rice ball had been cooked and transferred into the pot of syrup, bring this dessert to a boil. Then serve it to your loved ones. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you would try out this recipe and do subscribe for more upcoming recipe videos.